Hi, I'm Shelley, sits behind the camera.
Hi.
And today we're continuing with our kitchen project. If you haven't seen the other two videos, then take a look at them. Our first job today is going to be to hang the cabinets on the walls. We're not going to use the Ikea suspension rail. We're going to just rest the cupboards on top of here and screw directly into the wall. Before we actually start to hang on the cupboards, we've got to put a piece of wood on top of here just to cover this gap up. We've got here a piece of this surface material with 19mm. We've put a few pieces of wood on there and we're just going to slot it here into place. The other thing we've got to do before we start hanging is we've made a little slit here in the wood. This is so that we can add the electrics in for the lighting underneath the cupboard. We've now levelled the two cupboards with one another. We're then going to put in 2 screws at the top, but we're not going to tighten them up too much. We're just going to screw them into the wall a little bit. Then we're going to screw the 2 cupboards together. Once these are screwed together and everything is level, then we can tighten up the screws in the wall. We're now going to take this piece of wood that's similar to the backsplash here, going to cover this white side of the unit. Then we're going to attach a shelf here to here as well using biscuits. Finish off today's build, we're just going to add on the doors from the cupboards here, and next time you'll see us finish off the kitchen complete. So don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in a couple of weeks for the last film. Bye bye.